Gold H4 time frame, this new trend line last week, this is your big dynamic support level. So for retest last week, still price close of this trend line. So this is your big dynamic support level, your nearest support. If price break out to upside, then before price hit $3,000, then Big Bang, Goldman Sachs, they have raised their target from 3100 up to 3300. So if you are chasing psychological level, then target is already raised up to 3300. And reason are same. If Trump tariff war continue, then 3300. But since we saw that 3% CPI number, Trump is busy with new toy. Previously it was trade war. Now he's doing something new. He want to audit gold reserve in Fort Knox. Last week once again, your inflation expectation, previously 1 year, but last week 5-year inflation expectation, they are up. They are now 30-year high. So all the time Fed was saying inflation expectations are well anchored. Now they cannot say panic is everywhere. So we already have 3% inflation because of Trump tariff war. Expectations are 3.5% in next 5 years. So in that condition, neither Trump can continue its trade war, nor Fed can continue its rate cut. And last week FOMC minute confirmed rate pause will continue because of tariff war. QT monetary policy that will end very soon. So let's see what happens next. But rise in 5-year inflation expectation, that is big shocking change, Fed cannot ignore. So we don't know how long the rate pause will continue, but right now all data say rate pause at least till March FOMC meeting. And last week in gold, there was no major change, mostly sideways. So you focus only on this trend line, big dynamic support level. And for upside breakout, previously $3,000, new target 3100. If Trump become mad, if he start more trade war, then bank already predicting 3300. In case of trendline breakdown on H4 time frame, our first big static support zone is 2800, which come from daily time frame. We have this trend line, big dynamic support level, and a static support zone. So last week gold did sideways correction. Either this sideways correction can continue more, or if counter trend correction come, by that time this thing happen, static support zone and this trend line, they both will be at same place. But big bank have confirmed they need big correction before they can start buying more. And technically no major support before 2800. And if it is sideways correction, then 200% projection for wave Y 2950, gold already doing a sideways correction. If you see news this week, then 27 February you will have GDP and PCE inflation. And many Fed speak, shocking change last week. If you remember this sideways range, when Fed said in May FOMC meeting last year, he see neither stag nor inflation. But last week one FOMC member when gold goes up from 2300 to 2900, now FOMC member is saying they see stagflation risk. So that is the beauty of politics. Before election, they were not seeing stagflation, but after election, one by one, they are seeing all risk. Then Friday, 28 February this week, your PCE again. First quarterly number, then yearly number. But problem is, you will focus on old inflation number or new inflation number expectation for 5 year, which you saw 3.5% last week. So past inflation can decrease, future inflation is only rising because of tariff war. But last week of February and first week of March, for next 2 weeks, be careful, always happen, a big shocking news come and it change everything. Remember last year Fed FOMC said this is a restrictive environment and gold is up from 2200 to 2900. So they were denying that policy error all the time. So be careful, those political news high chance come in next 2 weeks and change everything. Because SP 500 for past few weeks it was sideways until turned down last Friday on high inflation expectation. But during that time, gold is up. This is your recession trade. So no timing, no fixed day. These news, your Russia war peace news, be careful, it will affect everything. Oil, US dollar as reserve currency, US treasury yield and gold. So when peace news final deal come, we don't know, but next 2 weeks high chance. But best thing you can say, it will affect BRICS trade in big way. And Trump want to audit Fort Knox gold reserve. When official video will come, we do not know, but when it will come, it will affect market. And third, Trump trade war. He will increase trade war more or already panic on 3% CPI and 3.5% inflation expectation for next 5 years. Because if Trump do madness, do more trade war, after this sideways flag pattern, price will break out, or he found new toy instead of trade war, Fort Knox gold. Then secretly Trump already panic on high inflation number. FOMC members change their tone from no stagflation in May 2024 to stagflation in February 2025. So these three are pure political news. No fixed day, no fixed time. But when they will come, they will affect entire market, especially BRICS narrative trade. So COT, they are decreasing their gold position every week. Gold going up every week. Last time this happened in August 2020. Let's see when it start correction. Monthly chart also going up. And we have to see this Friday where monthly candlestick close above $3,000 or below $3,000. It all controlled by Trump. That Fort Knox gold drama and Russia peace deal. So gold daily time frame before price retest this support zone near 2800. H4 time frame have big dynamic trend line. Already tested 5 times last week. Strong support level. Bullish above this trend line. A breakout, only then it is bearish. But in case of breakdown, support is still 2800. If new range high come, you can do intraday selling and profit taking on trend line retest. But breakdown of trend line, risk price can go up to 2800.